Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is Brian McGrath with the MyBlindCo Minute. I just wanted to show you guys a new functionality called Quote Refresh. Quote Refresh is what it sounds like to enhance the speed of the software. We've gone in and made sure it doesn't update each line every single time you open a quote, so it's much, much faster on the uptake. You go in, and as you can see up here on the top right, you'll see priced 3 hours ago. If you want the latest pricing, you hit refresh price and you're good to go. If you are going to send an e-invoice for the same thing, it will ask you right here, it'll tell you the quote uh, 2 hours ago. You can refresh it and update the price, or you can send the price with this, and you can actually time out. So if you go into a 30 day version of the quote, it'll tell you should update the price. You don't have to, but you should. So I'm not going to send that one. Anyways, that's the latest and greatest from MyBlindCo, and there's a lot more videos coming. Thanks a bunch, and have a great day.